for all the moms out there that got kids to feed, husbands to please, okay? I'm done. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I am doing a review on this beautiful wig I got from WeQueen. If you guys want to see how I install this wig, what comes in the box when you order it. Also, if you want to see my discount code, I'll show you right now. Make sure you use it. Keep on watching. Let's get started. Did you subscribe to my channel? Baby, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell and follow your girl on Instagram. Let's get started. All right, you guys, we're gonna get right into this. So the wig I'm gonna be showing you guys today is this headband wig that I have already wore. But this is the headband wig. It's a little bob, so cute. I just wore this in LA when I was there. It was super convenient. I think I wore it just one day because really I was just wearing my natural hair out. But this one did come with me to LA. I don't know all the details to this wig, so I will have all of it in the description box below. Here's my discount code if you guys want to purchase one. But this freaking grab and go wig is so convenient. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. Per usual, comb, 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 and then one more comb here. Also adjustable straps, and then of course the headband. Now, this wig came in this little baggie here, but when I traveled with it, I kept it in this bag, this little silk bag, which, hold on, I got my makeup wipes in here. But I traveled with it in this cute baggie here, and then they gave me all these, or I'm sorry, not gave me. This is what you'll get when you receive yours as well. All these freaking headbands. So there's 6 of them. You get 6 headbands, which is super cute. I'll try on a couple of them for you, but these are literally all the same, just different colors. So I think I found my match. Let's move right along. So I'm gonna put this wig on. So all I do is, or actually I have my hair in a ponytail right now. I'm gonna take the scrunchie out, and then I just have a braid in the back, literally, okay? So I'm just gonna tuck that in, and it's like pretty flat. And then I'm going to put this on really quick. And I go pretty far back because I leave a little bit of room for the band, and then also a little bit of edges out, which I did not do my edges today because I've done them before. Y'all know what I'm capable of, okay? But let me know if you guys want like a little baby hair tutorial, or if you want to like actually see me do my baby hairs like in real life, like in real time. So now I'm just literally dragging the wig over my little braid, and then sticking the comb in there, like right underneath my braid. And then I'm just gonna grab the Velcro, look, do one of these numbers and connect them like so. It's like the more combs I get, the faster I lose them. It's so weird. You went from nothing to something that quick. That quick. And if you had a brush or comb, of course I'm not prepared. I have everything I need and I'm still not prepared. Jesus. Anyway, so just take a paddle brush and just brush it out. And honestly, I like the bump. And if I wanted to, I feel like I would just like get one of those bristle brushes that are like circular. So you could just like brush it out like this, and I would blow the blow dryer as I'm brushing through it to give like even more of a bump, because I've been liking that old school bump lately. I ain't even gonna lie. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's like in the back, just like so. And whenever I run my fingers through it, I like flip it out because I'm trying to train it to do what I want. But yes, that's what it looks like in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna try on two. I'm gonna try on these two, just so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. I just feel like I look so educated and talented when I wear this. It's so freaking cute. But yes, so this is one of their grab and go wigs from WeQueen. I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm just gonna have the box sitting here in the background. Yes, so this is so cute, and I actually like these colors together. This like, what would you call this, maroon burgundy? Okay, so yeah, this is super cute. This is for all the moms out there that got kids to feed, husbands to please, okay? I'm done. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ugh. What? You guys, this ain't cute. This ain't cute. This is so cute. Where am I gonna go today? All I have to do is not very much, because I already did most of the things I need to do today. So this is the wig. Make sure you guys use my discount code if you want to purchase this. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.